Here's how to make a simple Easter garland. Start with eggs from Walmart. I used the dye pack to get a little bit of color. I just wiped off the excess dye and then set them aside to dry. Then I took some paint to darken them up a little bit, and I ended up not liking it, so I ended up spraying them very lightly. That way the other color could show through. Then I took some white and just kind of on the end of a brush very lightly flicked it onto the eggs. I think it turned out pretty cute. Next, I used a drill to drill holes into the side of the egg. That way I could thread some twine through. And I just thread some beads on. I did stain these beads, but you could use anything. You could use painted beads, you could use pom-poms. There's lots of different options here. Once you get your pattern down, you just thread them right on. I finished it off with a knot on the end so the eggs and the beads would not move. And even though I changed my mind on the color, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to tag me if you try this DIY. I would love to see how yours turns out.